What if I told you that the future isn't coming in 2030? It's already here. The gadgets we're about to show you aren't concepts or dreams. They're real, they're being tested, and some are already in your neighbor's hands. Welcome to NextoSphere, where we explore the technology that's reshaping reality. Today, we're counting down the 15 gadgets that are pulling 2030 into the present faster than anyone predicted. Let's dive in. Number 15. Smart glasses with full AR integration. Forget everything you think you know about glasses. We're not talking about reading lenses anymore. Meta's Ray-Ban smart glasses already let you capture photos, record video, stream music, and translate languages in real time using built-in AI. Apple's Vision Pro showed us that mixed reality isn't a gimmick, it's the next interface. Companies like Xreal and Rokid are racing to create lightweight AR glasses that project floating displays for movies, navigation, and work. Industry analysts predict the AR glasses market will explode to $30 billion by 2030. That's not speculation, that's momentum. Number 14. Wearable Health Monitors. Your body is constantly sending signals. Now technology is finally learning to listen. Apple Watches and Fitbits already track heart rhythms and oxygen levels, but the next generation goes further. Patches that monitor blood sugar, hydration, and stress hormones in real time are being tested right now. Hospitals are adopting remote patient monitoring, where devices send continuous vitals directly to doctors. The wearable health tech market was valued at $61 billion in 2022 and is projected to more than double by 2030. Soon, checking your health won't require a hospital visit, just a patch or a band. Number 13. AI-powered personal assistants. Siri and Alexa feel outdated because they are. The new wave of AI assistants like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and upgraded Alexa systems don't just respond, they remember, analyze, and anticipate. In healthcare, AI assistants review wearable data and provide personalized health recommendations. At home, they manage energy use, control smart devices, and sync your entire life. The AI assistant market is expected to exceed $50 billion by 2030. These aren't reactive tools anymore. They're proactive partners that know what you need before you ask. Number 12. Foldable smartphones. Foldable phones have moved from novelty to necessity. Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold series leads the charge, while Huawei and Motorola refine their designs. These devices unfold into tablet-sized displays, but fold back to pocket size. Yes, durability and price remain challenges, but millions are already in circulation worldwide. Analysts expect shipments to skyrocket in the coming years. By 2030, foldables won't feel futuristic, they'll just be phones. Number 11. Portable hologram projectors. Holograms aren't science fiction anymore. Companies like Huxika and LookingGlass are developing 3D projectors that display visuals without headsets or glasses. Right now, they're desktop-sized and expensive, but the push toward pocket-sized models is intense. The holographic display market is expected to surpass $18 billion by 2030, driven by demand for immersive entertainment, gaming, and business communication. Imagine turning any surface into a shared 3D experience. That future is closer than you think. Number 10. AI-powered personal robots. Robots aren't just vacuuming floors anymore. Tesla's Optimus and Xiaomi's Cyber One are humanoid robots designed to fold laundry, cook meals, and assist the elderly. In Japan, service robots are already being trialed in nursing homes for both assistance and companionship. The global personal robot market is projected to grow from $23 billion in 2022 to over $160 billion by 2030. Yes, they're expensive and clunky now, but by the end of the decade, personal robots could be as common as dishwashers. Number 8. Liquid buttons for devices. Touchscreens revolutionized tech, but they took away something important: tactile feedback. Liquid buttons solve that. Using microfluidics, these buttons rise from flat surfaces when needed and disappear when not. Tactus Technology demonstrated this concept years ago, creating physical keyboards that formed on glass screens and then flattened. Cost and durability have kept it from reaching consumers, but the idea is powerful. Imagine a phone that stays sleek until you need the texture of real keys. That's the future of touch. Number 7. Nanotech batteries. Battery anxiety is real, but nanotechnology is killing it. Startups like StoreDot have demonstrated batteries that charge phones in under 10 minutes. Toyota and Samsung are investing billions in solid-state prototypes that promise higher energy density, longer lifespan, and near-instant charging. The global solid-state battery market is expected to surpass $20 billion by 2030. If scaling production succeeds, everything from phones to electric cars could recharge in seconds. Low battery warnings might become a relic of the past. Number 6. 3D food printers. 3D printing has entered the kitchen. Companies like Natural Machines with their Foodini printer already create pasta, pizza bases, and designer desserts. NASA has tested 3D food printing for astronauts because cooking in space is nearly impossible. The 3D food printing market is projected to exceed $10 billion by 2030. Imagine loading cartridges with proteins, carbs, and flavors, then letting a printer assemble meals tailored to your health needs and taste. That's not cooking. That's personalized nutrition. Number 5. Self-repairing materials. Cracked screens are infuriating, but self-repairing materials could end that frustration. Scientists have developed polymers that heal scratches automatically when exposed to heat or light. LG demonstrated a phone back cover that healed minor scuffs, and researchers are applying the concept to cars and electronics. The self-healing materials market is expected to reach nearly $8 billion by 2030. Soon, every gadget might fix small damages on its own, lasting years longer without constant repairs.
Number 5. Flying cars. eVTOL vehicles. Flying cars are real. Joby Aviation, Archer Aviation, and Lilium have completed successful test flights of electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicles. These aircraft are quieter than helicopters, run on electricity, and are designed for short urban trips. Joby received FAA approval for test flights in 2023. Analysts project the urban air mobility market could exceed $45 billion by 2030. They're not ready for daily commutes yet, but by decade's end, air taxi rides could be a reality in major cities. Number 4. Brain-computer interfaces. Brain-computer interfaces let people control technology with thought alone, and human trials have begun. Neuralink implanted its first chip in a human in 2024, aiming to restore communication for people with paralysis. Synchron uses a stent-like implant that avoids open brain surgery. These devices already let users move cursors and type words using thought. The global BCI market is projected to reach $5 billion by 2030. The technology is experimental, but the progress is undeniable. Number 3. Holographic smartphones. Smartphones may soon project 3D images into thin air. Startups like Leia Inc. and Looking Glass are pushing holographic displays that don't need special glasses. The holographic display market is expected to surpass $18 billion by 2030. If this tech shrinks to phone size, video calls, gaming, and apps could appear as 3D projections right above your device, transforming smartphones into interactive holographic hubs. Number 2. Portable fusion energy generators. In 2022, U.S. scientists achieved a fusion milestone, a reaction that produced more energy than it consumed. Companies like Commonwealth Fusion Systems and TAE Technologies are working on smaller reactors. The fusion energy market is projected to reach $50 billion by 2035. Portable household generators remain theoretical, but if breakthroughs continue, compact fusion could power homes, vehicles, or neighborhoods with nearly unlimited clean energy. Number 1. Holographic contact lenses. Contact lenses may replace smart glasses entirely. Mojo Vision has demonstrated prototypes with micro-LED displays that project data directly into your field of view, navigation, health stats, notifications without bulky devices. The global smart contact lens market is expected to hit $7 billion by 2030. These lenses could make digital overlays feel as natural as sight itself. This is the ultimate merge of human and machine. The future isn't waiting for 2030, it's happening now. Which gadget blew your mind the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. This is NextoSphere, where the future becomes reality. Thanks for watching.